Then in this crucial time we met like this by the online classes. Then you have to use and utilize the online classes. Then you may get any doubt, then you may ask freely in the comment box. So here first, here today I am going to discuss about the electric current. What is the electric current? Actually, what is the use of electric current? Nowadays the population is increases. With the help of whenever the population is increases, their needs also increases. Worldwide the number of industries are day by day increases. Okay, total number of those industries runs with the help of electric current. What is the electric current? Electric current is nothing but it is one kind of the energy. Already you know about the law conservation of energy. What is the law conservation of energy? The energy that can be transformed into one form to another form, but the energy never water destroyed. Here suppose electrical energy is there, that electrical energy that can be converted into light energy, the electrical energy that can be converted into water heat energy, like that. Means here before going to discuss about the electric current, then you have to learn about the three things, that is nothing but actual what is the current and what is the circuit and what is the battery. Here, what is the battery? Battery is nothing but it is a one kind of storage device, means which can stores the chemical energy that can be converts into what? Electrical energy. Here suppose, next what is the current? Current is nothing but current can be defined as it is a flow of electrons. Already then it is a flow of electrons. In that situation then you may get one doubt. Actual current is possible with the help of electrons as well as protons, but only in the definition why we are saying it is a only flow of electrons means such kind of the things then you are going to see in next class. It is a flow of electrons, or another definition for the current is nothing but current can be defined as the amount of charge crossing any cross section. Means this is nothing but one conductor. You can assume this is one conductor. This is having two ends A and B. The amount of charge that can be crossing any cross section of a conductor in 1 unit of time, in 1 second of time, that is said to be what? Current. I is equals to what? Q by T. What are the units for current? Amperes. What are the units for charge? Coulombs. What are the units for time? Seconds. I is equals to what? Q by T. Next one is nothing but what is the circuit. Some of them are, why we are asking what is the circuit, then you may give like this. Circuit is nothing but which consists of bulb, which consists of one battery, and which consists of one closed switch or open switch, like that. Then you are saying, but it is wrong. What is the circuit is nothing but the path along which the current which can flows, that is said to be what? Circuit. Here suppose, then you may see this diagram. This diagram which will consist of one bulb, electric bulb is there, next one ammeter is there, one battery is there, and one switch is there, open switch or closed switch. Here suppose the current, while we close this switch, what happens? This is positive terminal and this is negative terminal of the battery. The current, the flow of electrons are like this. The flow of electrons are like this from negative to what? Positive terminal. Means this is nothing but one path or one route. So your circuit can be defined as the current which can flows, okay, one path, the path along which the electrons which can flows, that is said to be what? A circuit. Here suppose next one is nothing but here suppose here then you may see three activities in your 10th class. Here suppose here what happened if the battery is there, when we are close this switch, the current, the flow of electrons are possible, then the bulb which will close. In activity 2 what we have to do? I would like to remove this battery. What happened? When we are removing this battery, what happened? Actually there is no energy source, so the flow of electrons are what? Impossible. So in this situation the bulb which will not close. Next situation, here suppose these are nothing but what? Conductor wires. Conductor is nothing but which is able to allow in the flow of current or flow of electrons, that is said to be what? Conductor. Here instead of this copper wire, I would like to replace this one with what are nylon wires. Nylon wires are then which do not accept in the water flow of electrons. Okay, means the bulb also not glows at this activity. Means from the activity 1, okay, bulb which will close, and at activity 2 what happened? There is no battery. Without battery the bulb does not close. And next one is nothing but instead of copper wires, okay, we are using what? Nylon wires. In this moment also what? Bulb which will not closer. Here suppose then you may get doubt. Conductors are nothing but why copper and aluminum such kind of acts as a good conductor for the electricity. Then you may get doubt. Why the nylon wire that is bad conductor for electricity? Means already in the chemistry part you know about the element which is having in its outermost shell one electron or two electrons or three electrons. Okay, that can be act as one good conductor for electricity. The element which is having the one electrons or two electrons or three electrons in its outermost shell, those can be act as what good conductor for electricity. Copper, how many number of electrons are there? Here, what is the valence? Outermost is nothing but what valence. Copper valence. Here, some moments what situation 1 and some situation 2. The valence. Here, suppose aluminum valence is how much? What 3. So aluminum and copper are what they can act as what good conductor for what electricity. Next one, what is the direction of electric current? Here, suppose activity 1, then you have to take two heated bodies brought together. Okay, this is nothing but one heated body and B also nothing heated body. Both combined together. Okay, what happened in this movement? The heat molecules, heat is transformed from higher body to what lower body. Suppose then you can assume this A is having the water high temperature and B is what low temperature. Then in this moment what happened? From this the molecules are transformed from what A to B. Next one, in activity 2 vessels are there. One vessel is filled with water and another vessel also filled, but half of the water is there. In this moment, what is the direction of water? Means water which can flow from higher water level of tank to lower level of the water tank. Next one is nothing but water. Activity 3. Here two charged conductors are there, A and B. Here suppose A is a water rich of electrons, means it is having the full of electrons are there at A, and B is nothing but what deficiency of electron. Compared to A, B is having the water low number of small amount of the electrons are there for B. In here what happened? Then the electrons are transformed from A to water B, from A to water B. Okay, this process will continue up to water, both which will get the water equilibrium position. Means always the current flows from rich of electrons to deficiency of the electron. That's why only here then you may see the while we switch on that battery, what happened? The electrons are always flows from not negative terminal to what positive terminal. Why it is happened means here negative terminal which is having the what bundle of electrons, lack of electrons, rich of electrons, but here positive terminal is nothing but what deficiency of electron, means compared to negative terminal it is having the low number of electrons. That's why the electrons are which will process from the what negative to what positive. Here this is nothing but what direction of electrons, means electrons are nothing but like this. This is nothing but direction of electric field means always you have to remember the direction of the electrons and the electric field both are opposite in direction, not in single direction. Means the direction of electrons as well as what direction of electrons as well as electric field is nothing but what opposite in direction. You have to remember this one important. Next one is nothing but what is the potential. What is the potential? How can we define the potential? Quantity or bulk of electrons are said to be what potential. Means here the lack of electrons are there. This is nothing but bundle or bulk of electrons. All these are said to be what potential. This potential, in this potential you may see about the electric potential as well as what potential difference. Here electric potential is defined as, it is a very simple definition. Electric potential at a point in an electric field defined as amount of work done bringing a 1 unit of positive charge from infinity to that point. Infinity means here don't go for butterfly system. Here 1 unit of positive charge is there, far away 1 unit of positive charge is there. Then we have to take that positive charge from infinity distance to our specified position, our specified location. Then what we have to do at that moment means we have to use some kind of the work or not? Yes, then we have to use some kind of the work. So here 1 unit of positive charge is there infinity distance. Then what we are doing? We have to bring 1 unit of positive charge from infinity distance to our specified position, that is nothing but what P. Then in this moment what we have to do? We are using some kind of the external work behind that one. So that is said to be what? Electric potential. P is here work already you know in your physics. W is equal to F into S. Work is equal to force into displacement. Based on that formula, work is equal to potential into charge. Potential. Here, potential is nothing but that is denoted by what V, and charge is that is denoted by what Q. W is equals to V and Q. VQ. And V needs what here? Electric potential. V is equals to what? W by Q. What are the units for potential? Electric potential volt. 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per 1 coulomb. Joule is a unit for work, and coulomb is a unit for what? Charge. Here next one is potential difference. What is the potential difference? Some slight difference is there in between the electric potential and potential difference. Electric potential, what we are doing there means we have to take the 1 unit of positive charge from infinity distance to our specified position. But here what we are doing here, potential difference means, then we have to take the here 1 unit of positive charge, 1 unit of positive charge from one point to another point in a conductor. Means suppose this is a one conductor. Here A and B is there. A and B both are ends of the conductor. Here 1 unit of positive charge is there. Suppose here you can assume. Then what we are doing? Then we are taking 1 unit of positive charge from B to what? A. Here in this situation what we are doing means, then we are using the some kind of the external work behind this taking of 1 unit of positive charge. So the length of the conductor is, then you can assume L, and electric field is nothing but Fe. So W is equals to Fe into L. Work done per unit charge. How much charge we are taking from 1 unit to another, from one point to another point? Only 1 unit. So 1 unit is nothing but Q. Work done per unit charge, W by Q is equals to Fe into L by Q. Already we know what is the W by Q, that is nothing but volt. V is equals to W by Q and Fe into L by Q. That can be written in the form of V is equal to W by Q. Already you know about the what are the units for potential difference. Volt, 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per 1 coulomb. This is about a small introduction chapter about the what electric current. Next class we are going to see about drift velocity and average drift speed like that.